Dad, hang on. Keep your production hat on. We've got a comment from Mikey Fun Raceway. I don't know what the pronunciation is, and I hope that you appreciate that I'm at least trying. Fantastic work as always. You are always able to keep your pieces so clean and free of tool marks while you're working. Could you maybe do a tips and tricks video on your method of keeping the piece clean and pre-polishing?
Mikey, thanks a lot for the comment. I like the idea that you guys are asking questions, and if there's anything I can do to help, I will certainly do so. Let's say, for instance, I'm making a collet and I want to move over to putting the wires on. Before I even think about the wires, the collet itself to me isn't finished until it's got a final cleaning, pre-polish finish on the top. What I mean by cleaning up is I would use what it takes. So in silver or gold or platinum it might be different, but pre-polished finish. So it's ready to take from what you've just done and polish it, but you don't polish it. You just take it to the finest sandpaper that you feel is appropriate, and then do the next step. In a gold, for instance, a 9 carat or 18 carat gold, I would usually stop at about 400 on the sandpaper. So we'll go from a file to a needle file. From there onwards to maybe a 180 or 240 sandpaper, and then end with a 400. I know that when I'm polishing golds, that's fine because my polishing compound that I'm using will get rid of the scratches. With platinum, I go a little further. With platinum, you need to go all the way to wherever you can reach. So usually I go to about 3000. It cleans the work up nicely. There's no deep scratches that I'm going to try and get rid of afterwards. And when I'm doing any marking on the rings or on the product itself, I can actually clearly see where I'm marking it. By doing that, and then once you've done the next one, doing it again and doing the next step and doing it again, you're basically keeping your work clean all the way. And that counts for a lot because you're very easily going to be able to pick up little imperfections in the metal. You'll very quickly see if the solder mark's coming open. And just generally, if there's any problem areas, you can address it before you go 3 steps forward and then realize you have to go 3 steps back. I follow it through like this. It takes a little bit more time, but I can guarantee you what you're seeing in the jewelry that I'm making is a result of that particular process. I hope this helps. Thanks for the question.